Hello, football lovers. I greet all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the new data updated you today is that Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs made an inquiry regarding Richards Bay FC right back Lwandile Mabuya, after he had a fantastic campaign last season and good starts this season. Kaizer Chiefs is showing interest in the service of SuperSport United left-back Neo Raiopa. They already talked to his agent about his availability. SuperSport is our to their graduates again. Kaizer Chiefs are engaged in a negotiation with the Ruben Da Costa's agent, Deli Dacoba, at 24 years old, is a former Atletico under 18 player from the Sweden. The forward is ready for the new challenges, as Siyabonga Ngezane could be moving from Romania to Italy. The IFC is preparing a multiply millions deal for the Bafana Bafana international defender Siyabonga Ngezane. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please write your thoughts on the comment section.